Hello everyone, good day. This is Roxanne Nagaripaas and today I am going to discuss to you the conversation during a meal, appropriate topics, and behavior. So let's proceed. So we have here the appropriate conversation and topics we can apply during mealtime. So the primary goal of a mealtime conversation gajud is to promote a pleasant interactions and ensure everyone feels comfortable and welcome. So we must focus on the topics that are light, positive, and inclusive for all dinners. So now let's tackle. We have the five appropriate conversation topics during mealtime na atong ma-apply. First is the shared positive experience. So we can talk about a fun memory, a recent happy events, or your plans for an upcoming vacation or holiday. So mo na siya. And then the second is hobbies and interest. So we can discuss box, movies, music, travel, or general interests that are likely appealing to the group. So the third one pod is the general current events. So we can mention a non-controversial or positive news stories, cultural events, or achievements sa ato ang grupo. So the fourth one pod, we have complement the host. We can complement the host or the food. So, importante pud ni siya kaayo. As sincere compliments about the delicious food, the lovely table settings, or the ambience is always appropriate and appreciated. So, a small act of kindness can make someone happy. So, just simple compliment the food is makahappy na pud na siya sa restaurant or sa chef. So, the last one is the general topics. You can discuss whether light-hearted workplace stories without naming names or local community events. So, nanan sa imo, it is up to you kung unsa inyong matakol nga topic. Just kana alang mga make sure nga positive siya and wala mo inaapakang tao. So, mao na siya. And then, kung naputay topics too, is strictly avoid during mealtime. So, kini siya ng mga subjects, it can spoil an appetite, create tension, or make others feels uncomfortable and should be avoided at the table. So mao to siya. So first, we have controversial subjects. So, kini siya ng mga category, it includes topics that are highly likely caused a significant disagreement among guests. So example, kanang steer clear politics, religion or highly sensitive social issues or anything that could start an argument. So or any subject with strong opposing viewpoints. So why importante kayo na may avoid na to siya since it can swiftly move a pleasant meal toward intense debate. It can create a tension or even hostility, destroying the social mood. So, very important i-avoid na to siya in order also to promote a hapsay, peaceful, and happy mealtime. So, the second one is the money and personal status. So, discussing about personal finance and wealth can create a feeling of envy, awkwardness, or discomfort and can come across as boastful. So, you don't need to discuss about salaries, personal theft, how much something cost, or boast about wealth. Since importante ni siya kaayo nga no, since it can make others feel uncomfortable or inadequate. It can lead to comparison, ma-insecure na nua sila or social awkwardness rather than relaxed conversation. So makakanaang makaguba siya o kanaang mood sa mealtime. Makaguba jud siya kaayo. And then the third one is a medical issues or illness. So, mealtime is not the appropriate setting for detailed, unpleasant descriptions of health problems as they can be quite off-putting. So, we must avoid graphic descriptions of sickness, surgeries, injuries, or bodily functions, or even mga someone's flaws. Since importante ni siya kaayo na i-avoid na to, nga no, since these subjects are often unappetizing, makawala jud siya mood, makawala siya gana ikaon, it can literally spoil someone's desire to eat, making so a distasteful dining experience. So, makawala jud siya gana, makawala siya sa mood, makaguba siya sa peaceful, happy moments ninyo during sa meal time. Kay, you don't need to point out someone's flaws or impairments or unsa dinhaa since they are already aware of that one. You just have to be sensitive enough, to be respectful enough to avoid pointing out. So let us promote kuan, let us not promote that kind of attitude, no. So napatay, so mao to siya, mao ni aho ang itapik karon, since napatay duha ka buok na remaining ani nga under aning topics to and strictly avoid, napay duha ka buok, but that too will be discussed to you by Miss Barrow. So mao lang niya, diri lang ko taman. So I hope you've learned something beneficial, useful, and important. So mao lang to. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.
Good day, everyone. I am Jasmine Rose Uchimar Barro, and now I will be the one who continue the topic of Miss Paas. So let's proceed to gossip or criticism. Never criticize other guests, the host, or absent people. Keep the conversation guide. So during a meal, bawal ang libak. Kaya usually baya if tingkaon na dili na mawala ang libak-libak. Kanang inyong istoryahan kung kinsa ang wala, na may mga negative comments nga isulti. So ato nang so dili na siya appropriate conversation sa during a meal. Kaya ang tendency, if puro na lang chismis or gossip ang mahitabo, possible nga mahimo siyang negative atmosphere, mahimo siyang awkward if na may ma-mention nga if na may i-criticize. So, para ma-positive ang inyong para na may happy meal and positive vibes sa atmosphere sa inyong meal, so dapat i-avoid na nato nga conversation. So, every meal dapat be kind. Iwasan ang libak-libak. Next is grievances or complaints. Do not use mealtime to air personal grudges, criticize family members, or complain about work. So, isa po ni sa avoid na to during a meal. Kay ang during a meal kay dapat ang istoryahan is mga positive things. Dili ta more on compliance, more on sa mga chismis. Di ta mang istorya og lain tao. Kay para as what I've said, positive atmosphere gana inyohang meal. Kay ang during ang meal baya kay ting bonding, ting enjoy. So atong tawag ana i-avoid ang mga complaints kay para dili pod madamay ang uban. So dali lang mo siya masabot. So let's proceed to the next topic, which is the conversational etiquette and behavior. So when we say conversational etiquette and behavior means showing respect, kindness, and good manners every time you talk to someone. Para ang inyong conversation is magaan, happy, and na-respect, of course. Respectful in your conversation. First is the 50-50 rule. Aim to spend about 50% of the time speaking and 50% of the time listening. Do not dominate the conversation. So meaning, dapat balance ang inyong conversation. Na kalahati nga ikaw ang gastorya, kalahati isad is ikaw kay gaminaw. Dili sa tanan panahon kay ikaw ang gastorya, dili pud sa tanan panahon nga ikaw ang mitin na minaw. For example, kanang nagstoryahay mo, and then pag umano magstorya, pangutan na po nimo siya unsa iyang ikasulti ato or na po siya experience ana para sa dyan na po mo share sa iyang experience. Okay, mas gana ang conversation if give and take. Dili sa tanan panahon nga ikaw ra, dili pud sa tanan nga siya ra. Okay, nana siya. Next is be a good listener. Pay attention, make eye contact, and respond genuinely. This shows respect. Of course, sabotable man siya. If naay gasulti, of course, dapat maminaw ta attentively. And of course, para mahibawan sa nagsulti, nga naminaw ta, makig-eye contact ta nga para makibaw siya nga nasa ila ang atong atensyon. And of course, mo-respond ta using our gestures, munod ta, mutango, inana, if nakasabot ba ta, para mahibawan niya nga naminaw jud ta sa katong nagisulti. It shows respect man god if na if na nagsulti tapos naminaw ka, at least man lang sa kana nga action nag-show ka ng respect. Kay for example, kanang nagsulti tapos nag-cellphone ka, di ba? Insulto to sa nagstorya kay wa ka naminaw, nag-cellphone lang ka. So as a good listener, nagapakita siya di siya og respeto. Next is include everyone. If there's a quiet person, gently bring them into the conversations with an open-ended questions. Of course, kay if ang sa inyong grupo na ay naghilom, kay basing it's either left out siya or OP, inana, out of place. So, ikaw nga kabalo sa conversational etiquette, imo siyang ipa-join. Imo siyang idanihon nga join sa inyong conversations. For example, kanang bawaton nimo siya kung usay ang masulti atong about sa topic o say if na ba siya experience ato, may na lang sa kana nga way ma-appeal siya sa inyong conversations and makighalubilo na siya. Kay lain man god if kamurang conversation ay sa inyong conversation na ay ma-left out. So ang gana nga conversation if tanan naki-appeal, tanan maminaw and tanan mo join. So ina na siya. No one's left behind, Charis. Then next is avoid interrupting. Wait for a speaker to finish their thought before you begin yours. So supportable man siya no nga if napay gastorya, maghuwat sa jud ka, adisir ka mo add sa imong idea or opinion. If imo siyang i-interrupt, it shows disrespect man word sa nagstorya pa kay like for example, ay kabalo naman ko ana tapos ikaw na dayon nag-continue sa iyang dapat isulti. So unsa may bation sa katong nagstorya, di ba kay malain siya, ma-disrespect. So dapat lang jud nga maghuwat ka sa imong turn nga ikaw na po mo storya. Mato. And next is speak clearly. Speak at an appropriate volume, not so loud as to disturb others and not so softly as to force others to strain. So pasabot, if magstorya ka, dili dapat paspas. Dapat makigstorya ka clearly imong tingog. Then, naay appropriate volume. Dili siya kusog nga maka-istorbo na sa lain and then di pod siya hinay nga dilit na pod makadungog ang naminaw. So dapat sakto ra, appropriate imong volume sa imong voice if makigstorya ka. Kaya it shows confidence and respect about yourself. Napakita sa the way ka magstorya, mapakita sa confidence and respect sa imong kaugalingon. And lastly, wait to answer calls. Keep your mobile phone away from the table. Do not answer calls or texts while dining. So, if mo ang cellphone during a meal, ibutan na sa bulsa or sa imong bag basta kay di siya makitaan sa table. I-avoid ang makik-text, mag-cellphone or mag-answer og calls during a meal pagtingkaon na. So, ang imong buhaton is, i-mute siya, and then, if na mo tawagan na lang to siya after a meal. Kaya ang pagkaon, kaya during a meal is social interaction siya, para siya social interactions. Kaya, if ever magsigig kag check sa imong cellphone, sigag cellphone, maka-distract ka, and it shows disrespectful sa imong mga kauban. And that's all about our topic. Thank you for listening and I hope you learned something about this video.